Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing great. So today I'm here with you guys with another vlog video, so please keep on watching. Actually, we came to see the nature, but all the leaves have shed. But it's nice to be out in the sun. So I'll be sharing you all how the day goes. So please keep on watching.
Hey, come back. Look here, look here, look here. Just fake era.
It's a snow. Yay!
Entadi.
It's the snow car. Oh, the way.
Yeah. We are back home and I thought of sharing with you all what all we have picked from Whole Foods. Actually went to buy some strawberries and flax seeds and came out with $100 bill, and I'll just share it with you all. It's most about the snacks and the sauces. So first let's start with the fruits. So I have picked strawberries, and I have also picked a strawberry stem cutter. This is how it looks. And this is about $8. And next, coming to cookies and biscuits. So these are coconut crisp cookies. These are from the brand Tate's Bake Shop. So this is how they look. Also picked this complete crunchy cookies from Lenny and Larry's double chocolate. It is of plant-based and 14 grams fiber. This is how they look. I picked 2 packets of this, and we have also picked this cream cookies. This is also from the brand Lenny and Larry's. So this is how they look, and it is of 6 grams protein. I think this is somewhat of a style of Oreo, but it is a plant-derived protein cookie. This is how they look, and it is written as Lenny and Larry's on top of it. Okay. The next is from Spectrum Essential Organic Whole Flaxseed. This is how they look. I want to make some flaxseed powder, so that's the reason I have picked it. And some kids gummy bites. And I also bought this African black soap bar soap, detoxifying and balancing. It is from Nubian Heritage. This is how the soap looks like. And it is infused with aloe vera, oats and vitamin E. And I bought this marinara pasta sauce and roasted garlic pasta sauce from 365 Whole Foods Market line. This is how they both look. A few more. The next thing is from these are the cotton rounds. These are eco-friendly face rounds, and I think how many they have? They have 7. This was pretty costly. It was $15. I thought it was just $10 and I picked up, but after coming back I seen that it was $15. So it says clean, sustainable and easy to use eco-friendly mini face rounds, made from natural bamboo and organic cotton. Yeah, and also they came in a pouch. The last 2 items are from Method. These are Method all-purpose surface cleaner. One is in the scent, I think, ginger yuzu. This is how it looks. And the next and final one is also from Method. This is Method All Purpose Naturally Derived Surface Cleaner. This is in the flavor grapefruit. Yeah, this is it. Look, that's about the items which we have bought from Whole Food, guys. So I will wrap this video here as well. I hope you all have enjoyed watching this video. If you do, so please hit on the like button and also subscribe back to my channel. I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye.